Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macagbo. On this channel we talk about little there and there. We talk about hair, skincare, hair product, hair treatment, and we also cook and we talk about building as well. We talk about everything, guys. We don't have specific niche. So today's topic, as you can see on the title, we're just cooking black eye beans. So I went to the supermarket to get grocery shopping done. So I'm back home now starting the cooking. This is the black eye beans. For those that who doesn't know what is black eye beans, yes guys, so black eye beans is a delicious meal you can cook. You can cook this delicious meal in 30 minutes, guys. Once everything is prepared well, it's so easy to cook. So once you get your black eye beans from the package, go ahead and wash it very well and get all those dead beans out, and sometimes the leaf can be there. Then you start the cooking. You just go ahead and boil it. Then also you go ahead and wash all your fresh ingredients, sweet chili, green chili, and then red chili, everything that you like cooking, your baby plum. So today's topic, I just have 3 ways to cook black eye beans, but the other one is not with the beans. The other one is just stir fry I'll be doing for you guys. Then I got 2 ways to cook the beans, one with palm oil and the other one with oil. Yes, so I'm going ahead now and chop all the meat. As you can see, I grill my meat. I love grilling my meat because it's healthy that way. Then you get it cooked really well. So the reason why I don't show you when I prepare my meat, I do it the day after so that I can put it in the grill without stressing myself, guys. You know, sometimes you have a long day with children and all that. It's a very busy day for me when I'm cooking and filming, so I make sure I prepare it before I start my cooking very well. So as you can see, this is just beef. Yeah, this I got 2, which is almost 15 pounds for the 2. Everything is there right now, but this is the way things are right now in the world. So I got the mackerel fish as well. Everything is in the grill. As you can see, everything is just going well. Yes, I did this overnight. So please stay tuned and watch till the end, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macagbo. As you see today, I'll be just cooking black eye beans for you guys 2 ways, one with palm oil and one with oil. Then I'll give you a bonus tip how to do fried soya with a frying pan. Yes guys, with all the juicy vegetable, good ingredients, guys. So please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. New viewers, old viewers, you're welcome. Just comment with any topic you want me to cover. I will happy to cover it. You know guys, how we do it on this channel, we just talk about everything there and there. We just mix the whole thing. We don't have specific niche because all the niches have gone to the big YouTubers. So we small YouTubers have to talk about everything and correct what is not right. We talk about it on this channel, guys. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, and go ahead and watch my videos. I'm just waiting for 1,000 watch hours now. You know, we're nearly there, so that we can get some cash in. Boiling now. The beans is boiling. So I'm just going to go ahead now and slice all this. Guys, you have to make sure you wash all your vegetables really nice, guys. Yes, wash them very well. So I'm preparing everything now for everything here. Now I'm preparing everything. Wash and get the seed out if possible, guys. This is for the stir fries for later, so I'm just getting that ready. So the red big chili, I left it just to show you sometimes why you should open your chili and wash it inside, because of the dirt inside. Is good, you just get everything out. It's safe that way, just to get rid of the black seeds and the seeds as well. Once you wash everything now, you can see it's all clean there. It's all clean. then you go ahead and cut everything. Okay. So guys, I'm just going along now and slice everything. Then it makes life easy for me when I'm cooking, guys. So I'll be slicing the one for the soya and then for the black beans, the oil and the palm oil. This is for later when I'm doing the stir fry meat for you guys. That's the bonus. So we're talking about 3 topics here today. This is my favorite, guys. The smell of this is really, really good. I'm going ahead now and blend this. This is for the oil, this is for the stir meats, and this one is for the palm oil one. So I'm going to blend it now. See, so guys, this is a blend one. So guys, as you can see, everything is pretty much ready. We got the beans, it's boiled. We got all the big chili, green chili, onions, red onions. It's ready. Stir soya meat for later. Then we got the baby plum there. Baby plum, very good. Got multiple colors there. Then we have the grand chili. Mix everything there. So as you can see, this is all prepared now, ready to start the cooking. Because I'll be doing 3 dishes, guys. So these are all this, and this is the palm oil, and we got the black eye beans. The first one here, oil. This is all pretty much it, darling. So I'm just going ahead and I use my leftover oil. So I'm going ahead now and pour the palm oil, not a lot, just like 100 ml palm oil. So guys, in this case, it's just the base we need to cook because the beans is already cooked. We're just gonna heat the oil up now. Yes, not too hot, very hot, you know, just like the temperature that you know you're gonna fry yours. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead now with small onions the traditional way with my leg. Yes guys, this one, the smell is just calling you to come in my kitchen. Then with the mix chili onions blend, then I'm going ahead dry prawns and then fish powder. The dry ones is really nice. This doesn't have no sand. This add more flavor and taste. This fish and prawns, the dry ones, you know, go along with the seasonings. It just makes your food taste really well. Seasonings you may like to cook with, I'm going to write all the seasonings I've used down the description below, so check it out. Yes guys, so as you know, we all know what we like to cook with. So this is the mackerel, it's dry. This is, so all we're waiting for is for this to cook. Once this is cooked, we finish. Cook black eyed beans. Then after then I'll add the fish, and that's it. That's pretty much done, guys. These beans are so easy to cook. So I'm going ahead now and stir everything. Then I'm going to add my already made spiced chili someone made for me that I know. So if you need it, you have to come through to me. This is £10. It's very delicious. It's really hot, really hot, and the way she made it is so spicy and nice. So it makes my job easy. When I want something spicy, just add it there. So 1.5 spoon will do. Yes guys, So this chili is so easy. It just make my job easy to cook spice, because nowadays the chili is not really hot what we buy in the Jamaican chili. So I'm going ahead now and add the fish. So guys, support my sister. She's selling it at home. It's really good. If you need it, just contact me. I will pass the number to you guys. Let's support ourselves, sisters, guys. I'm not cooking all. This is enough. Yeah, this is enough. So that's pretty much it. Wow. It's ready, guys. Ready. The chili. Let me taste for the chili. Not bad. Just everything just right. Just right, guys. So that it's done now, let's start. Can have it with plantain or rice. It's ready. Let's put it aside. I'm going to cook the other one. Yeah, now it's the oil one. I'm going to start cooking now, guys. Let me have a taste with that chili and the meat. Ooh, guys, it was good. It was spicy, nice. Yes, when you want something hot, try this. It's really nice. So I'm going along now and pour some oil. The oil should be just small. Yes. So I'm going ahead now and pour everything. Yeah, with the seasonings, and just leave it to cook, guys. Like I said, 30 minutes, you're done. Once everything is ready, you're done. It's very easy. Add your seasonings. It's the same seasonings I'll be using, guys. I will name them down below the description. And then once this paste is finished, you add the meat and the beans. That's you done cooking. Very nice. We don't need water with this. Yes, so this is why you boil your beans separate. Then once you finish, you just go ahead and add everything, guys. This is looking delicious. Then you can just add a little bit of plum tomato. Yeah, just the water. Yeah, really, just to give it the stew more base. Yes, guys, so as you can see, it's nearly done. Yeah, once this is cooked, you're done. So guys, as I was cooking, my phone had problem, so the end of it's not really looking nice, but bear me with that because my phone wasn't charging. Yes, when I went to Africa, I left my camera there, so I need to save up and get one. So this is why I'm telling you guys, you really need to watch my videos so we can start getting money if you want me to keep making more videos for you, especially for those that would like watching my videos. Go ahead and watch some of my old videos so you can increase my watch hour. Right now we just need 1,000 watch hour right now. So once I get that, at least I'll be getting small money there and there to make all these videos. It's not easy, you know, to make them. YouTube don't pay you unless you got your 4,000 watch hour and then your 1,000 subscribers, which we already got 1,000 subscriber plus. So all we need now is our 1,000 watch hour to complete the 4,000. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding now the beans to the stew. Yes, guys, please go ahead and watch my other old videos. They're really nice videos, you know. All you do, just put the phone and watch it, guys. Yeah, so guys, you can get better videos. I can travel and make more videos for you guys. Yes, so this is where my battery died, so the quality now is not good, as you see. Yeah, I had to use my husband's phone. It's not as great like mine. Yes, guys, so please bear with the quality video there. It looks like black and white. Yeah, but it's all good. It was really nice. So that was it. The beans was cooked. It tasted delicious and dry, you know. So you can go ahead and try it and let me know. So this is the soya stir fry. Just a little bit of oil just to stir fry the chili onions. You just need small amount of oil just to stir fry the onions and then the chili. Yeah. So I'm going along now with the seasonings, Maggi cube and lamb seasonings. to spice it up. Then I'm going with the big chili, sweet chili. Then I promise I have to make another video again. Yeah, just with my phone. This is my husband's phone. We're not getting the brightness there. Yeah, sorry guys. So my phone was playing up on that day. I couldn't even film myself eating, and then yeah, but I have to publish it like that, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be another video and I'll cook again. Yeah, so please guys, go ahead and watch my videos so that we can get the 1,000 watch hour. So as you can see, I've put the baby plum. Now I'm going ahead and put the meat. Yes, you can see the soya meat is really dry. Oh, this is lovely. With plantain, you can have it side with the beans and rice. It's all. Let me know what you think about these 3 dishes, guys. Comment and like and share. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Look at that. Yeah, if it was my camera now, oh, that brightness, oh my god. The baby plum is already cooked. You don't have to overcook this. It's just stir fry meat. Really good. Everything has to be crunchy when you're eating it. Baby, I promise you, if you try this, your husband will love you every day. Yeah, very nice. I'll make another video of this again, or then I'll fry the plantain and show you everything, guys. Yeah, this is it. Pretty much done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. It was all delicious. The meat, the fish, the chicken, everything. Thanks for watching.